Welcome back, everybody. Many years ago, I did a video on how to remove the protection from a protected Word document. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unprotect a protected Excel sheet. So this is a very simple process. Open up an Excel sheet and let's protect a sheet. I'm going to give it a password of 123. Perfect. Now we have a protected sheet. I'm going to try to add some data. It won't let me. Close the file. Now, all you have to do is simply rename the file extension to .zip. Once you rename the extension, just open it up, go into the Excel folder, and then into the Worksheets folder and grab the sheet that's protected. In my case, I protected sheet 1. So I'm just going to drag it out to my desktop. Essentially, an Excel file is just a collection of XML files. What you want to do is open up this XML file using Notepad. From here, you can simply look for the word sheetProtection. Then just remove from the opening bracket to the closing bracket. If you do this incorrectly, it could corrupt your document. So I suggest doing it on a backup file first. Once you're done with that, just save the file, close it, then just drag it back into the zip file, overwrite the existing XML. Lastly, just go back and rename that extension back to an Excel extension. Now, when you open the file, you're going to notice that the protection is gone from that sheet. Mission accomplished. That's pretty much it. It's super simple. I actually ended up doing this because I had a sheet protected for many years that I could not get into. Fortunately for me, this worked. If this worked for you, please take a moment to hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, consider joining the channel for more videos. Thank you.